Good morning class. Today I want to describe about real number for class 10th exercise 1.4 question number 2nd part 4th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. Today I want to describe about decimal extensions of rational number which have terminating decimal extensions and which have non-terminating but repeating decimal extensions. My words is clear, no confusion about my words. Very good. It is very easy. You can very easily solve your question, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. Clear? No confusion about my words. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about rational number, because you can ask question to me, what is rational number? A number which we can write in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, q not equal to 0, is called rational number. Rational number are two types. First, terminating rational number. For example, 1 by 2 equal to 0.5, 1 by 4 equal to 0.25. It is clear? Now I want to describe about non-terminating but repeating rational number. For example, 1 by 3 equal to 0.333 till infinite, 2 by 3 equal to 0.666 till infinite. Rational number is clear? No confusion about rational number? Very good. It is very easy. Rational number is very easy. You can solve your question very easily, but you concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. See the board. NCERT real number class 10 exercise 1.4 question number 2nd. Write down the decimal extensions of these rational numbers in question 1 above which have terminating decimal extensions. Question is clear? No confusion about question? Very good. Here question second, related question first. It is clear? See the board. Fourth, 15 upon 1600. It is your question. It means you solve it. You find it has terminating decimal expansions or non-terminating but repeating decimal expansions. It is clear? Firstly, you factorize denominator. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. Factorization is very easy. Clear? See the word. Solution. Decimal expansions of rational number. Here 1600. You factorize denominator. Means 1600. You divide 1600 by 2, you find 800. You divide 800 by 2, you find 400. You divide 400 by 2, you find 200. You divide 400 by 2, you find 200. You divide 200 by 2, you find 100. Now you divide 100 by 2, you find 50. Now you divide 50 by 2, you find 25. Now you divide 25 by 5, you find 5. Now you divide 5 by 5, you find 1. It is factor of 1600. Factor of 1600 is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is easy. You can very easily solve it. Clear? See the board. 15 upon 1600 equal to 15 upon 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5. Because here is 2 is 6 time and 5 is 2 time. Here 2 is 6 time and 5 is 2 time. It is clear? It is equal to 15 upon 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5. You convert denominator into 10 power m. So you multiply by 5 4 time on numerator and 4 time on denominator. It is clear? Here you multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5, and here 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Clear? Here it become 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 equal to 625. And here 15, it means 15 multiply 625. Clear? Here denominator 2 is 6 times and 5 is 6 times. So you can write it 2 multiply 5 in first brackets, multiply 2 multiply 5 in second brackets, multiply 2 multiply 5 in third brackets, multiply 2 multiply 5 in fourth brackets, multiply 2 multiply 5 in fifth brackets, multiply 2 multiply 5 in sixth bracket. Clear? It become 2 5s are 10, 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 2 5s are 10. It means it become 9375 and it become 1000000 means 10 lakh. 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh. It is 10 lakh. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It is 10 lakh. Here 60. So you can write it as 0.009375. It is value of 15 upon 1600 in decimal, 6 places of decimal. Clear? No confusion about it. It means 15 upon 1600 equal to 0.009375 is terminating decimal expansion. Is terminating decimal expansions. Clear? It means you find your answer very easily. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. In this way you can find solution of any question very easily by the help of this solution. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It is easy. Very good. Okay.